Hello, it's Miss Take with your minds on. Okay, we're going to go for a mission. The number 4. We've been setting the number 4. Look at the dice behind me. Can you see the number 4? I want you, I'm going to put on a timer, 4 minutes. Ha! You are going to try to find 4 things with the number 4 on them. Ooh, they can be in words, or they can be in numbers, or they can be in dots. Are you ready? 4 things with the number 4 on your marks. Get set. Forehead. Come back wherever you are. Time is up. Bring the things that you have found with 4 on it. Were you successful? And it's okay if you weren't. It's okay if you only got 1 or 2 things. But can I show you what I found? Then you can share. Look at this right here in my crayon box. Do you see the number 4? Boom, there's 1. Then I started getting worried because I couldn't find much more. But then I realized I had my strawberry lip balm here. And I looked and I looked and I looked, and there was an itsy tiny weeny 4. Do you see it? There she is, 4. So there's 2. And then I started getting, what am I going to do? Then I found my name tag. Do you see the number line at the bottom? Boom. Wrong way, mistake. There it is. There's 4. There's my third 4, and it was hard to find. And then for my very last thing, I looked up at my dice and I realized I have some dice over here. Boom. 4 dots on my dice. Wow, that was a tough one. I hope you were successful with your minds on. I will see you soon.